Hi, Liz from Timely here. Let's walk through how to install memory for Windows. You're going to want to head to the Ecosystems tab under Settings. You can see three types of memory are available to you. Select Connect Memory next to the Windows for Memory option. Select Download Memory for Windows. Then open the file you've just installed. In just a few seconds, memory should pop up. And just like that, memory is installed. You should see a brain icon on the bottom toolbar. When you select the brain icon, you can head to the Settings and make sure to have Launch Memory on System Startup set on. If I were you, I'd take a few minutes and head to your favorite website. After a few minutes, you should be able to head back into Timely and see the activities captured on your timeline. And that's how to install memory for Windows.